I was the first group of females to actually integrate into the surface combatants. My full name is Marilynn Raptis. I'm a Chief Petty Officer in the United States Naval Reserve, so I work with submarines. Last year, I was at the submarine school, which is the basic submarine capital of the world. I was an instructor. I was one of the first female instructors there. As soon as I came off my activation, they took me on and hired me here. I'm a warehouse technician. Anything they need done with the warehouse, that's what I do. But this company, the people here, they uphold the core values in any branch. They don't have to be in the military to have honor and courage and be committed to the job and making sure it's done right and done right the first time. The United States means the world to me. We're a strong company, we're a strong nation, and to me they go hand in hand.